What is up, you guys? It's your girl Ray Love, back with another video. Today I just wanted to give you guys a hair tutorial, something simple, quick and easy. It's just a bun, and instead of using tracks, the only thing I had was braiding hair. So if you guys want to know how to do this, then stay tuned. Oh, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, you like, comment, and share this video. And I'm cooking right now, that's what you hear, and also you hear my mini me over there. Alright, you guys, so here is me getting ready to do my hair. I already figured out the part that I want. I do want a side part that's curved. And sorry you guys hear my son in the background, and also I was smiling in the video because of him. He was making me laugh. But I'm just gonna brush it into place, and this part was hard for me because I do have a lot of hair, you guys, so yeah. And finally, after so much brushing, I finally got the ponytail that I wanted. Some people add gel to their ponytails, but I didn't want to do that. You most certainly can. I didn't feel the need to do it, so I didn't do it. So now on this clip, I'm just gonna twist my hair and wrap it into the smallest bun I can try to get my hair to be, because my hair is pretty long. And yeah, the bun will be kind of big, and you want it to be as small as possible so it's easier to wrap the hair around it. And then you just want to secure with your rubber band or bobby pin, whatever works best for you. Sorry for my son in the background, you guys. But once I got the hair and started to wrap it around, I used one of the bundles of hair, which I thought would be enough. This is the hair I'm using, and it's ombre at the end. But my bun was so big that I didn't show it, but I actually had to take this hair off and then not take it off, but unravel it, and then add another bundle because I had two of them to make it thicker, because my bun was so thick, you guys. It was thicker than I thought it would be, and it was kind of hard to wrap the hair around my bun to make it look natural. As you guys can see, I was struggling a little bit to try to make it look full and thick, 'cause my bun was so big. But after I put the second bundle of hair around it, it makes it look so much better, you guys, and it looks more natural. So depending on how much hair you have or how small you can get your bun to be, you may need two bundles like I did, but if not, one is just fine. And then of course just make sure you secure it with your bobby pins so it can stay in place. So this is how it looked after I added the second bundle and then wrapped it around the root of the bundle so I can blend it together. And you see it's so much fuller, looks so much better. And then this is me doing my son. This is me doing my edges, you guys. And I use Got To Be glue gel. That way it can just last longer, but you can use Eco Styler or whatever gel you like. And I fast forward this clip because it's self-explanatory pretty much. And this is the finished product, you guys. Let me know if you like this hairstyle. Comment down below if you would try this or if you've done it before. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it so other people can see it. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.